Hello Dragonball fans, this is Shonen Man, and today I'm going to do some unboxing video, which is Dragonball Super card game. One of them would be the Dark Invasions, which has Bardock in it in the front, and Bardock mask, which is really cool, and the green box, which is super awesome. I can't wait to unbox this. And the next one we have which is called the Uniforce trading card game. And finally, and the last one we seeing right here is the Awakening. I am just collecting these for myself. I am not sponsored by Toby or any Bandai company, and I just want to show an unboxing video on my channel. So let's get to it. Let's open the Awakening first. I just don't want to crack the case. The case isn't. I like the art and design. There we go. I got it open. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh wow. Nice. Look at this. Goku Super Saiyan Blue. Oh, this is a deck. Ooh, it has the 7-star Dragon Ball. Nice. Let's see, what does it come with? What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is the game mat. But I don't really play the game. I just collect the game art and stuff. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this teach you how to play and how to win and stuff. Card types. Let's see. Leader card. You are team leader. The one card that will fight by your side throughout the game. When you are in trouble, the card awakens and flip over to its even more powerful side. Okay, whatever that means. Alright, let's try to open this deck without ripping the cards. Can we do it? Uh-oh, I got a little bit. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Just don't damage the card. Oh wow, nice. Okay, so we already know this is Super Saiyan Blue, huh? Oh, okay, I'll take this one. Oh, this is Vegeta. Nice. And Super Saiyan God Flash, God Rush. Oh, I got double of those. Nice. Oh, I got more. And also I got Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Maximum energy. Wow. Okay, Rapid Spirit Ball Son Goku. Oh, nice. I'll be keeping these. Kind San Goku. Oh, this is the original Kind San. Mighty Striker Son Gohan. Oh, this is the uniform one that I want. The action figure. But I could never find it. Oh yeah, what's your plan by the way? Since now Dragon Ball Super is over, so are y'all playing Dragon Ball Fighter Z, or what are you doing to keep the fan going? Please let me know in the comments down below. There's some Goten, more Gotens. Okay, Acelian Vegeta, more Acelian Vegeta. Oh, another Acelian Vegeta. Let's see, Trunks, and more Trunks, more Trunks. Oh, that's the ice cream sundae for Lord Beerus. Cool. Oh wow, Lord Beerus is here. Nice. Okay, I can take it. Oh, that's Piccolo. Oh, more Piccolos. Oh, nice, Supreme Kai. That's what's his name? Monica, Monica, or however you pronounce it. It's called Monica. Okay, and there's wings and more wings. Okay, so I started decks mostly like cards with the same kind, cards that has the same name, and you can build your own later. It's kind of like Yu-Gi-Oh, but the best ones I like out of this box is Super Saiyan Blue, Goku, and Vegeta Prince of Speed, which is really awesome. Let's try. Okay, I'll put this one aside. Let's get the other one. Oh, Prince Vegeta. Okay. Toss this away. And these are the best cards that I have so far. And Super Saiyan Black Goku. Union Force. The box itself, it's really nice and pink. And I just really want to open this and see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm struggling. I cannot get it in. Can I get in? Oh, I got one. Let's try to get the other. Oh crap. I can't even cut this open. There you go. I got it. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Oh, these are more game mats. I don't need that. Oh, nice. Oh, more. This one is a booster card. Huh? Booster bag. And this one came with a plastic. Which is Samsu. Huh? The green guy that fused with Goku in the Goku Black series, and every card has the 7-star Dragon Ball. 20,000 power, nice. Okay, I guess I'll keep this in here. Let's see. This is Trunks. This is Goku, Samsu, and Cell. Oh wow! Everybody's here in the booster pack. I don't want to open it. Oh my god. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab me a scissor. Alright, I'm back. I just don't want to rip the bag. Oh my god. I'll cut the cards. I'll try and not cut the cards. Perfect. I didn't cut any cards, you see? Oh crap. There you go. Let's see what we got here. I haven't seen these, so let's look together. Okay, I got robot. Anything good? Oh, Super Saiyan Son Goku, huh? Nice. Let's see what's here. Supreme Kai from Dragon Ball Z. Oh, that's Gohan. Super Saiyan Gohan from Cell. Nice. Oh, this is Frieza. Wait a minute. Why is Frieza back here? Oh, there's two sides of Frieza. This is the chill one, and this is the chill Hammer of Destruction one. So like a chibi Frieza. Okay. And let's see what's this. Oh, Master Bobby. Mind control. But if you read the description, it will tell you what these cards do. But I think these cards are kind of played like Yu-Gi-Oh! Some are monsters and magic and spells, but I really don't know. Oh wow, Goku Black. Nice. I'll pull this one out. Okay. I'll put this in my plastic. Okay, let's see what else we got. Enraged Gohan. Nice. What's this? Oh, Android 19. Okay. I wish it was hollow. Oh, that's Bulma. Okay. Oh, time ring. Yeah, this is the part where Goku Black and Samsu use the ring to fuse together to form Goku Black in the future of Dragon Ball Super. Oh, this is the Cell Sourcing. Okay. Let's see, which pack should we open? Let's open Samsu. Samsu pack. Let's see what we got from him. I just don't want to cut the cards. Cut it on the black line. There we go. What? Okay, I cut it, and I don't know why it won't cut. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's open. I got it. What in the world is stuck in there? Okay, I got it. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's a hollow. Let's put that in here. The first straw is a hollow. Let me shove this up some more. Okay. Oh, that's Majin Buu. Okay. That's mine. And another Death Racer Freezer. Oh, Android 17, twin brother. And whoever this is Toby, the obedient soldier. Okay. That's Trunks. This is Go Tanks. Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack. And this is Son Gohan from the Cell Saga. Oh, these are Spopovich and Yamu. Vegeta, the proud father. The graphics and everything on this card is so nice. Oh wow, Lord Beerus. Hello. Thank you, I'll be using this. Let's open Sengoku and see what we got from him. Try not cut the hair. Oh, I cut the hair, I'm sorry. Oh, I saw it. Oh, few Samsu, huh? See? Oh, wow. Oh, cool. This is the Dark Samsu. So did Goku Black and Samsu fuse together, or Samsu fused with somebody else? I'm really lost here. This part is awesome. I'm doing this. Let's try this. Go Tanks. Majin Buu. When it's sealed. Let's see. Awakening. Metal Cooler. Oh, Android 17. Oh, okay. I'll take this. Nice, double side. This the priest guy. That's Vegeta. Final Flash. Selper. Yajirobe with hair. Oh, that's nice. Cool armor squad door. 10,000 power. Okay. Oh, a Wiz attack. Never seen a Wiz that's this angry before. Wiz is always kind in the TV show. An Android 18. Nice. Okay. Let's try to open this one. This is the last pack from the Unit Force. Okay. Yes, I didn't cut any cards. Oh, I saw it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Mine. I'm sorry if I've been going too fast. I have another box to undo. The Bura. So, oh, Goku Black. Oh, it's not hollow. But I'll still keep it. Oh wow. Cool. Out the head. Golden Frieza. And it's really golden. Let's put him in the gold package that I got. There you go. It fits. Nice. Let's see what else. What's this? Let's peel off. Supreme Kai. Oh, this is the full train Gohan. When he was training in the other world with the Supreme Kais. I don't know whoever this is. A Psycho DN guard. 20,000 power. Okay. Oh, that's Supreme Kai. I mean, Okai. But he's still Supreme Kai. Tiny heroes. Okay. Let's see what's this. Big Geek Star. Nothing here. Base. Last one. What? This one is already open? Huh. And this one is still sealed. That's weird. There you go, huh? Let's see what we got in here. And the darkness, the dark invasion. Oh my god. Oh, more game mats. Oh, nice. This Bardock Super Saiyan 3, is it? Yep. Oh my god. Try nice scratch up Bardock. Cool. Nice. Oh. There's a back to it. There you go. Oh wow, I got another hollow. I didn't mean to see it, but I saw a hollow Trunks. Which is awesome. Okay. Let's leave it there. Let's see what we got here. Trunks. the blade. Let's see, more Trunks. Okay. Trunks. More Trunks. I don't know how many double and triples do they have. Probably like 3 each. Just like in Yu-Gi-Oh! This is the Supreme Kai from Dragon Ball Xenoverse. Oh, there's more of her. 3, 4. It's like 4 of them. Okay. Dark Plot. Okay, there's like Bardock and whoever that is, and that one guy in Dragon Ball Xenoverse fused. Okay, more of that. More. Sorry if I'm going too fast and I'm kind of boring. More. Oh, okay. This is Toa, the Space Time Unleashed from Dragon Ball Xenoverse. And this is Supreme Kai again. More Supreme Kai. Supreme Kai. Supreme Kai. Oh, that's Trunks. Nice. Oh, okay. More Trunks. More Trunks. More Trunks. Let's see here. More Trunks. And more Trunks. Oh, nice. Okay. New Trunks. What's this? More Trunks. That's Son Goku. And this is Super Saiyan Son Goku. More Super Saiyan Son Goku. Oh my god, how many Son Goku? Oh, that's Vegeta cake. More Vegeta cakes. More Vegeta cakes. More Vegeta cakes. Oh, okay. This is Goku from the future. Just came back. Goku again. Gotenks. More Gotenks. Let's see. Energy Gotenks. Nice. Number 3 Gotenks. Family of Justice Gohan. More Gohan. This is Arumi from Dragon Ball Xenoverse. More, okay. This is the Goku Black with the sand mask. And let's see what's this. Heart of the cards. More sand masks. Well, that's it for this video, and I guess I will see you in the next video. And I'm not sure what should I do with these cards that I have right here, but if you really want them, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below and see how am I doing, and I will be giving them out to you or mail them out to you when I reach 50 subscribers. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.